Hello friends, welcome to Work Driver channel. Today we are going to work on a 2012 Mercedes ML 350, the gasoline version. Rear brake pad. We'll change the rear brake pad. The procedure will apply to all the W166, X166 chassis cars. So what's the game plan? Now first we'll open the hood and check the brake fluid level, because you will squeeze the okay, I was wrong to say the key is in position 2. Actually it should be in key in position 1. Now you have to do it really quick. Push the answer button, then OK button. Hold on for 5 seconds. It'll pop up this menu, right? Vehicle data, dyno test, and pad replacement. Click on pad replacement. OK. Press OK. You hear the sound? OK. Now I pop out. They click OK. Now we can turn off the vehicle and start the work. I'll jack up the car, take the tire out, and show you how to do next. But don't forget to suck some of the brake fluid out if necessary. Okay, we take off the wheels and put the tire underneath the vehicle on the side. There's the hydraulic jack and the jack stand. Make sure it's safe, okay? Safety is always the first. There's nothing more important than safety. I have a former colleague. I have not personally met him, but I just heard a couple weeks ago he was helping his neighbor working on Suburban, and vehicle fell down, killed him. That was very unfortunate. We don't wanna hear anything happening to friends on YouTube. You know, safety first. Make sure it's double safety or triple safety. Okay. Now, it gives us the chance. We always give us the chance to check the brake pad life, right? If we look at it, actually it has a decent, like at least 1/3 of the life left on the pad. We'll do further examination. We take it out. But I have some a new set ready that will last pretty much another over 120 or 150,000 miles, I think. So I will put it on. To take off access to the brake pad, actually we have to, for this one, we'll see. Now first, there's this slider pin, right? This is the 13, this is 15, I believe. 13 millimeter, 15 millimeter. We loosen the slider pin. I'll see if we need to. Now there is this brake pad wear sensor, right? You will use your screwdriver to apply it, loosen it, wiggle it a little bit so you can easily take it out. believe we actually have to take the caliper out. So we will see. We'll see do we need to take it out or not. Okay. Now, one is 13. This one is not 15. This is 17. Okay, you hold and loosen this. Hold 17. Hold loosen this 13. And we have to take the caliper out. So it's more than what I expected, but we'll do that. Okay. Okay, good news. I don't think we need to take off the caliper. Just the no caliper bracket, just the caliper itself. So I already loosened the two 13mm bolt slider pin. Okay, now before you take off the caliper, you can use a screwdriver, plug in between the pad and between the gap between the pad and the brake. So you pry on it, give it more space to come out. Okay, you can do that way. It will help you later on save time to push the piston to the full to its fully retracted position. Okay, let's continue. Okay, the caliper is out. Now you wanna take a good picture of you know, the positioning of the brake pad. If you are not confident, you want to do a good cleaning of the brake pad, the brake caliper. Also, you want this piston fully retracted. So you can use some tool like this or better tool to help. Okay, always, it's good practice to use a bungee to attach this caliper because it's kind of heavy. We want to protect the brake lines. We will do a cleaning, and we'll see what's next. We'll take off the pad, and I do show you a comparison with the new pad. Okay. Okay, we take the pad out. It's always a good practice to compare the new one with the good one. Okay, to make sure they match. Okay. You know, if it doesn't match, don't put it back on. This slot here is for the wear sensor. On the driver's side, actually it doesn't have the wear sensor. It's only on the passenger side. But for simplicity, this still make it on. And so our pin, holding pin, holding those clips are same, pad are same, so we're safe to put it back on. The old brand called Hela. And this new brand I have is called Ferodo. I don't know which is better. I know this old one, it generates a lot of dust. My wheel easily, get dirty. So we'll see how the new one performs. Okay. Now I have cleaned the caliper a little bit, brush it, use a wire brush, and we'll see. Now when you put this back on, don't forget to on those area that is in touch, don't forget to put some brake grease on. I have it here. Okay, this brake grease. Okay, put it back on. So it's good to compare, like I said, right? Now we found the clip on at the bottom. This new one actually have a narrow gap, so it doesn't really fit well on the brake. It's not a big deal. The old one still works. So we'll clean this old one a little bit and put it back on. Do not panic. Okay, the new brake pad is on. I put a little bit of grease right in this sliding area. It's not a big deal. You don't need to if you don't have grease. The torque for this bolt is 13mm bolt is 35 Newton meter. Do not over torque it. This is not a large bolt. Okay. We just put it back on, and this side will be done. The difference on the passenger side, the only difference on the passenger side is this wear sensor, brake pad wear sensor. Okay, that you pull this one out. Okay, pull this out when you disassemble it. Nothing else different. You just repeat the same procedure. Okay, we already put the passenger side on as well. Don't forget the wear sensor. Okay. Actually, this older pad still have like a half of life left. Maybe it's unnecessary really to do this job, but I want to show you guys how to do it, and I have this extra set of Ferodo pad. I want to see if how it performs. Okay, this is the end of the this episode. Honestly, at the end I want to give it Merc Tribe difficult score. Change brake pad is like changing engine oil as the DIY 101. However, changing the brake pad does involve more than changing engine oil. Regarding safety, regarding the dealing with brake pad, caliper, some of the vehicles involves more. So like this one, you have to actually have to deactivate the electric parking assist, right? Otherwise you will damage this motor here. Okay. Well, that's the end of it. The score, the Merc Tribe difficult score, I give it 6.5. Okay. I'll see you next time. Okay, I forgot to show you something, right? We deactivated the electric parking assistant. Now we have to activate it, right? So we push the ignition button once. To exit fitting position, click on OK. Caution. Fitting position, to confirm, click OK. Fitting position has been exited. To confirm, click OK. Okay. Now that's not the end of the story. We're going to start the car. We exit this mode. We start the car, okay, and we have to before you drive, put on drive, you step on the brake a couple times. Okay, let's start the car. Okay, no error message, right? We step on the brake a couple of times. I'm going to check the brake fluid level to make sure it's proper. Okay. I think by now it's low. We're going to add some more fluid. What you see here, I replaced the flush, the brake fluid about 2 years ago. I didn't drive much, so I only get about 5,000 miles. But brake fluid oxidize pretty quickly. You see, it's not clear. It should be a clear fluid, not clear anymore. So we're going to add some new fluid in for this car. With that, I conclude this episode. I'll see you next time.